y'all, these are just our potato pieces onto our hababichi. I'm just adding a little bit of salt right on top. And a little bit of pepper. We are just frying these right now in some delicious butter. We are about to make an easy, delicious, German-inspired meal. Alrighty, y'all, we're just gonna give our taters a quick flip. Alrighty, y'all, that's just our beef and gravy. I'm just gonna give this a quick little spread here. A little bit of onions and some cilantro, not traditional in this dish, but we just happen to have it with our onions, so that's perfect. Coming in with our mixed veggies. We're just doing peas and carrots and green beans. Perfect, that looks great. Spread that out a little bit more. On top of those veggies, we'll just do a little bit of garlic powder. I almost opened up the waterfall. Just do a little bit of garlic on here. We did season our meat and gravy, but this will just make it extra yummy. The onion powder. Onion. Oh, it smells so good. Wow, this is gonna be amazing. Marty, doesn't it smell good?
Smells delicious.
Now for the medium cheddar, everyone. Perfect. Oh yeah, this is gonna be so delicious. I was calling this German. Marty says it's more British. We've got ancestors from both places, so we love this kind of food. Just so wholesome, filling, and healthy. And I just like to spread this cheese with my hands. Give it a nice spread, 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 spread. Yum. All right, we're just gonna come in with our puff pastry here. And I'm just gonna unroll this. I'll show you guys what we're doing with this. It's gonna be so easy and tasty. We like this Just Roll brand. We just like to put it down just like that. Look at that. So easy, y'all. Got another one here. And one more little one. Perfect. I got a little bit of butter here. I'm just using my remaining butter. And I'm gonna give that a good little, top on here so it's gonna get nice and brown and beautiful. Gorgeous. I'm gonna use my tongs here to create some vents so we have a little bit of seepage. All right, guys, I'm gonna close the lid onto my hababichi here. We're gonna let this cook for about 20 minutes. Alrighty, guys, our German cottage pie British is ready. Oh my goodness, it smells incredible. It looks so good. I wish you guys could smell it through your screen right now. Here we go. I'm gonna get myself a nice big helping here. Oh yeah, wow, it smells so good, don't you think, Marty?
It does smell amazing.
Get right on under here. Oh,
oh,
I got a train. I got a train.
Yum.
Yum. Let's get in here. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Can't wait to get a bite. Oh hot. Oh hot. All right, you guys. It's hot off the griddle, but it is absolutely delicious. You gotta try it.